Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. Can you be deported if you're married to a U.S. citizen? Does marriage to a U.S. citizen prevent deportation? No. Being married to a U.S. citizen does not automatically stop deportation. However, in some cases, it may provide options to adjust your status or seek legal relief. Marrying a United States citizen may seem like an easy pathway to obtaining legal residency, but the process is far more complex than simply exchanging vows. Marriage does not automatically grant a green card or any other form of lawful status, and until all required procedures are completed, the risk of deportation remains. This video outlines the necessary steps and highlights common challenges encountered in the process. Marriage and U.S. immigration law. Marriage to a U.S. citizen is only the first step in a multi-stage legal process. The law requires that your citizen spouse file a petition to establish the authenticity of the marriage and begin the adjustment of status procedure. Without this official step, your eligibility for a green card remains unproven, leaving you vulnerable to immigration enforcement. Thus, the marriage itself does not shield you from deportation risks until all legal formalities are met. Petition and green card application process. After the marriage, your U.S. citizen spouse must file Form I-130, a petition that serves as the first formal step in proving the legitimacy of your relationship. Once this petition is approved, you will need to complete additional applications, including Form I-485 for adjustment of status. This application process requires you to provide extensive documentation, such as birth certificates, marriage certificates, financial records, and evidence of cohabitation to demonstrate that your relationship is genuine and meets all legal criteria. Handling legal complications and waivers. In certain situations, prior criminal records, instances of immigration fraud, or previous periods of unlawful presence may complicate your application. In such cases, you might be required to apply for a waiver to overcome these grounds of inadmissibility. The waiver process is rigorous, requiring detailed evidence and legal arguments to prove that you merit an exception. Without a successful waiver, even a legitimate marriage may not secure you a green card. Maintaining your legal status. Once you obtain a green card, it is crucial to maintain compliance with U.S. immigration and criminal laws. Often, green cards issued on the basis of marriage are conditional and require removal of conditions after a specified period. Failing to meet legal obligations or engaging in activities that violate these conditions can lead to deportation. Continuous adherence to legal requirements ensures that your status remains secure over time. The value of professional legal assistance. Given the complexity of immigration procedures, seeking advice from experienced immigration solicitors can be invaluable. Professionals can guide you through each step, from filing petitions and applications to addressing complications through waivers. Their expertise increases the likelihood of successfully obtaining and maintaining your green card, while also ensuring that your rights are protected throughout the process.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you are doing great. Can you be deported if you are married to a US citizen? Being married to a US citizen does not automatically grant legal residency or protect an immigration from deportation. Marriage is not only the first step in a complex legal process that requires official petition and approvals before lawful status is secured. Until all immigration procedures are completed, a non-citizen spouse remain vulnerable to deportation. To establish legal residency, the U.S. citizen spouse must file Form I-130 to prove the marriage is a genuine. Once approved, the immigrant spouse must apply for adjustment of status through Form I-485. This process requires extensive documentation, including proof of cohabitation, financial records, and personal history. To demonstrate the legitimacy of the marriage without completing these steps, an immigrant spouse does not have the legal right to remain in the US. Certain legal complications, such as a previous immigration violation, criminal records, or in instance of fraud, can make securing a green card more difficult. In such cases, an applicant may need to file for a waiver. To overcome these barriers, the waiver process is stringent and requires compelling evidence to justify an expansion. Failure to obtain a waiver can result in the denial of a green card, regardless of the legitimacy of the marriage. Even after obtaining a green card, maintaining legal status is essential. Marriage best green cards are often conditional and require further verification after a specific period. Failure to meet legal obligations, such as filing for the removal of conditions, can result in deportation. Given the complexity of the immigration system, seeking professional legal assistance is a highly advisable. Immigration lawyers can help navigate the process, address legal challenges, and improve the chances of securing and maintaining legal residency, ensuring that the rights of the immigrant spouse are protected.